looks like the Philippine Air Force will still get some Russian Mi-17 heavy lift helicopters after all, if what the DND reported to the Senate pushes through. When asked about the status of the refund on the 15% down payment worth 1.9 billion pesos made for the acquisition of Russian Mi-17 heavy lift helicopters, a DND official mentioned that they are looking at an option to accept helicopters that were already under construction, with the 1.9 billion to be used as payment. This option means that the down payment would not be returned by Russia, and instead they will deliver the helicopters that are worth the amount. The contract is worth 12.8 billion pesos for 16 helicopters, while Russia is reportedly giving another helicopter as a freebie. Each helicopter with its support package is worth around 800 million pesos, and the 1.9 billion deposit is good enough for 2 helicopters. The extra 300 million can be used for additional spare parts. Courtesy, thanks to Max Defense Philippines.